This is the Foldacrutch, offering a stable and convenient helping hand for those who struggle with their balance. Whether through injury or illness, being unsteady on your feet can quickly lead to a lack of confidence when walking. The Foldacrutch helps you to avoid the stress and strain of struggling without assistance, with a clever folding construction for ease of use. The durable ferrule at the tip offers reliable traction for peace of mind. C-clips are included to hold the crutches together when folded, as well as a carry bag to keep them protected in transit. The Velcro cuff strap is softer on your upper arm compared to a plastic cuff, while the rubber grip handle is kinder to your hands and wrists. Motion Healthcare have made the Foldacrutch an accessible walking aid for all, thanks to the 9-hole push-pin height adjustments. This item is available in a choice of 3 colours: black, red and blue. The Foldacrutch, part of the wider range of walking aids from CareCo. For more details, look at careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.